Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another vlog. Today's vlog is completely new and really interesting for me. I have a special thing from DJI right now, and this is my first new thing, a drone that is going to be added to my fleet, and there you can see it. So guys, please do not judge me on my first video. So right now I'm here near to Lonavala, and I'm going to do my first test flight. Pretty scared about it, but let's hope the first flight is gonna be interesting. Train.
Hi everyone. So I'm very excited and very happy because this is our first drone which we have shot today. I did it with my husband. He actually did it. I am just the watcher, but I am super excited because the way he adapted it, it was like he is pro, and I just loved it. I'm just hoping that our video should be also very clear and something good which we have explored today in Lonavala. You know how DJI is, and let's just keep our fingers crossed, and I just hope that our videos are very stunning, just like me and this DJI and my husband. So stay tuned for more updates.
So hey guys, finally got a chance to take this flight up in the air and was able to shoot. Now I know the first video is not gonna be that great, but I'm trying my best, trying to learn the RC control over here. Now this is one piece of crazy shit. I'm really, I didn't mean by shit, but yeah, it is one of the best things that you can ever have. Now DJI has given wonderful RC control that we have, and what a product, the Mini 4 Pro. Honestly speaking, I just loved it. I had a phobia of flying drones, but this was my first flight, and I can't even tell you how excited I was and how nervous I was. But honestly speaking, after going through the RC control and making that thing as my eye to see the clouds and the whole thing over here was really crazy. And honestly speaking, this is a masterclass. Now we know that this is just the first product, this is the beginner's product, but what can I say about DJI? Excellent, excellent, I will say. Now this is definitely a game changer for anyone doing any kind of vlogs, and honestly there are a lot of more accessories yet to come out for this, but let's just hope the video quality of the DJI is really good, and hoping that the output is better enough. Now there are a lot of things that I wanted to get this thing done on this as well, so let's just keep our fingers crossed.